Just wanted to talk about a quick build, basically out of miscellaneous junk pieces I had laying around. It's a solder fume extractor. I've seen a lot on YouTube and the do-it-yourself ones. They're really fine, but some of them are rather elaborate, and some of them are actually misleading or incorrect. The big thing, as far as what I'm seeing, is incorrect in some, is that you actually do need a carbon filter. Anything else like a furnace filter, etc. I've seen people use foam. It doesn't work. You need a carbon filter. The other thing is the carbon filter has to be on the intake side, not the output side. It won't work if it's on the output side. So again, this is here's two examples. This is a little 5-volt one. I can use anything, a cell phone charger, if you want to make it portable, a battery, type thing. Real easy. Again, it's portable, it's small, and it works fine. But I said, well, let's go with a bigger one. Let's see what parts I have laying around. Again, this is real simple. This is just a little cardboard piece put together. It's just sitting in a cradle. It's a 12-volt computer fan, again pulling through the intake side. One thing I did note is when I first put it together, I left this gap underneath here, and if you're on the same surface as that, what it'll do is pull the fumes up from underneath it, and it won't filter them. So I just put a piece of masking tape in here to close that gap, and put a little skirt on it. Anyway, works great. It's nothing special. I just wanted a little bit bigger one for some work that I was doing, where the little portable one just wouldn't do. Anyway, it's simple. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my site.